Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's world, renewable energy is becoming increasingly important due to rising energy demands and environmental concerns. Solar and wind are two major renewable sources, but individually they have limitations. Solar depends on sunlight and wind depends on air velocity. So in this project, we have designed and developed a hybrid solar and wind power management system that intelligently selects the best available source. This system intelligently selects the best available energy source, prevents unstable switching between sources, protects the battery from overload, and provides real-time monitoring using IoT technology. The main objectives of this project are: first, to combine solar and wind energy into a single hybrid system. Second, to intelligently select the most suitable energy source based on voltage conditions. Third, to stop the relays from switching again and again when the voltage keeps changing. We used a smart control method so that once a source is selected, it stays selected until it really drops. However, fourth, to detect whether the load is actually on by measuring real current instead of just checking the relay position. And finally, to monitor important values like solar generated voltage, wind generated voltage, and source feeding status remotely using the Blink IoT application. Solar and wind energy are renewable sources, but their output is not constant due to changing environmental conditions. In conventional hybrid renewable systems, when both solar and wind sources are available simultaneously, voltage fluctuations under load can cause continuous relay switching between sources. This phenomenon leads to instability, reduced efficiency, and possible damage to system components. Therefore, there is a need for an intelligent control system that can select a stable source, prevent frequent switching, protect the battery from overload. This block diagram shows the hybrid solar and wind power management system. The system uses two renewable sources, a solar panel and a wind turbine. The solar panel output is regulated using charge controller, while the wind turbine output is stabilized using a CC/C module. Both sources are monitored using voltage sensors, and the ESP32 microcontroller decides which source should charge the battery based on the available voltage. Relays are used to switch between solar and wind sources automatically. The energy is stored in a 1-2 VOLT battery, which acts as the main power storage. The battery supplies power to an inverter, which converts DC power into AC power for running loads. An ACS712 current sensor monitors the current between the battery and inverter to detect overload conditions. The ESP32 also sends system data to the Blink IoT platform, allowing remote monitoring of solar and wind generation. So overall, this system intelligently manages renewable energy sources and provides stable power supply. This system works on the concept of hybrid energy management, where both solar and wind sources are used to charge a common battery. First, both sources, solar panel and wind turbine, generate electrical energy. The solar output is regulated using an MPPT controller, and the wind output is stabilized using a CC/CV module. Now, the voltage from both sources is continuously measured using voltage sensors. These voltage values are sent to the ESP32 microcontroller, which acts as the brain of the system. The ESP32 follows a simple logic. Whichever source voltage goes above the threshold value 10 volt first, that source is selected for charging. Once selected, that source will continue charging the battery until its voltage drops below the threshold. If the active source becomes weak, the system will automatically switch to the other source if it is available. This ensures stable and continuous battery charging even under changing environmental conditions. The selected source charges a 12-volt battery which stores the energy. This battery is connected to an inverter which converts DC power into AC power to run loads. To monitor the load condition, an ACS712 current sensor is used between the battery and inverter. If the load draws excessive current, the system can detect it and take action to protect the battery. So this was a hybrid solar and wind power management system. Compare. In this project, we use solar and wind energy together and an ESP32 controller to automatically select the best source for charging the battery.
If you like this project, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.